Hey everybody, this is Brandon coming at you from Ceramic Pro, Colorado Springs. Just wanted to go over what we're doing here. This is a 2020 Supra that we had clear brawed not too long ago and actually got sideswiped. We ended up clear brawling the whole front clip, so what that was the hood, the fenders, and the bumper. And as you can see, the damage on the door here really should have transferred over to here. All the paint damage, there should be chipped paint here, and kind of what it looks like over here should be over here. But our product Kavaca, which is our instant healing clear braw product that we offer, has protected a lot of his vehicle where it was clear brawed. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this back and so we can show you what it looks like underneath here compared to what it looks like over here. So there we go. As you can see, the paint damage had stopped at this door from the fender itself because the clear braw got the blunt end of the damage. So this is what clear braw does to your vehicle. Protects you from protects you from paint transfer, damage, anything that would happen to your vehicle. Otherwise, if it wasn't clear brawed, this is how you're protected.